Hello everyone, today I'm reviewing Metal Sonic, Shadow, and
Amy,
Sticks.
don't touch them.
So these are the Wave 2 of Sonic Boom plushies. And the only one I'm missing is Amy in Wave 1, and then bam! So I missed the set. As you see, Shadow's been in my videos. I actually lost the Shadow that's already been in my videos, but I got a new one. It's my birthday today, and yeah, this is like a special review because it's my birthday today. And so, yeah. Anyways, let's begin. Okay, so this is Metal Sonic, and as you can see, the detail is actually really good. And it's actually really good. It feels so good because it's like metal, it's like all metallic and stuff. And these ones seem to be a little taller than Wave 1. So here's Shadow, and you know, he's all black, and his shoes look a little bit different, you know why? Look, see? And he's also just normal Shadow, apart from his shoes, and his, you know, he's just really like, he's just like normal Shadow, really. And here's Sticks. So Sticks is a badger, and this is what Sticks looks like. I'm gonna get an up close shot of Sticks. Yeah, that's pretty much Sticks.
Hey guys, I am Sonic.
So
today
let's take a look at, let's compare Wave 1 to Wave 2. So actually, instead of using Wave 1, I've decided to use something I also got for today. I got a Tails Build-A-Bear. I really wanted to do a review on the Sonic one, but I'll do a review on that even though I got it during the summer, and I've had it since August, so actually late July, I think. Yeah, late July, yeah. So here's Tails, looking good, looking swifty. Here are the 3 plushies that we'll be reviewing today.
Amy, don't unpause that. Don't touch my tablet. And don't click any of them.
Okay. So here are the 3 plushies. Let's compare. Here are these 3: Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles. Turn Knuckles over, Tails, and Sonic. So those are those 3. And yeah, that's what they look like. There's another Tails there. So yeah. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this review on the Wave 2 of the Sonic Boom plushies. I know this wasn't a real review, but they were made. No, they were made by Tomei, and yeah. These are Sticks is more like kind of like Sticks for, I don't know why Sticks doesn't really wear gloves, but Shadow and Metal Sonic do. I mean, Metal Sonic doesn't, but Metal Sonic's a robot. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this review on these 3 plushies, and see you later. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to drop a comment saying happy birthday. See you later. Bye. One last look at these 3.
Aquarium door.